got some PM to do, so hasn't really been too busy of a week. So I figured I'd show a few things today, see what other calls we get going on today. But right now we just got a PM to go do, and then we'll see what other calls we can run. Alright guys, so looks like this is my guy train unit. Should be 2014
mirror.
So I'm gonna start inside, check it out. Customer said she hasn't ran an AC, but hasn't had any issues with it. This is my unit. I'm gonna take the filter out. The filter's pretty dirty, so they don't have a replacement. So I'm just gonna take it out right now while I'm testing it. So right off the bat, I don't like how it's set up, but it is what it is. I mean, look at the return. The different speeds I got in there. I'm noticing no trap on here.
Mirror.
$55. Turn rating 73 and 55 on the supply. So that's 18 degrees split. So we have a little emergency pan switch, but no trap, no easy trap, just a union. So we'll see if they'll let us put one on there, but we'll see.
Mirror.
Alright guys, so this is a landlord-tenant situation. I got a hold of the landlord, and she did approve throwing the trap on there. And so I'm going to put this easy trap with the overflow switch on it. So let's go back up in the attic, throw this trap on there, and test to make sure we're all good. I might extend it out right here so it's easily serviceable. Yeah, it's think I'll do that.
Mirror. Mirror.
Alright guys, I think I'm gonna wrap this one up. Got the new trap in, everything's looking good. Tested ain't cooling again already, so, and I did pour water down there. So it is graded down, water's flowing down. Alright guys, let's gonna wrap that one up. I'm on my way to the next call. Nope, not dealing with it. Look at that. There it is. Doing my little protector. I think I'm gonna go ahead and clean this coil out. This one up. So on my second call, there's a lot of wasps attacking me, so I was a little occupied, couldn't film a lot on that one. But that's gonna wrap this one up for today. Just thought I'd do a quick video on some maintenances today. That's gonna wrap this one up, guys. I appreciate y'all watching.